Previously on the last video.
Seeing things unreal. God knows what that stain, what goes crawling back again. Ashes scattered, burning Jacob's ladder. I'm afraid of my fade away.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I finally received my drone back. I thought that I was just gonna get my drone repaired and then they're just gonna send it back to me, but no, I guess it was beyond repair, so they ended up sending me a new one here, which is pretty cool. Today I'll just be unboxing this new drone, and then we're gonna be installing these third-party accessories that I got from various websites. Well, let's just get started. Okay, so we'll just open up this box here. I'll try to be as quick as possible. I don't want to damage this box too much. That I can have a place to store my drone in the future if I want to. Alright. So this is the brand new drone, the DJI Avata. And just remove this cover. This is it. Brand new out the box. This is the downward sensor here, camera. I think this is the GPS module here. It's pretty cool. All right. Well, okay, let's just start it. We'll start off with the motor cover guards. I got these from AliExpress. I'll give you guys the links to all these to these websites where I got all these accessories here. We'll start off with the motor covers. These are aluminum alloy, so they're pretty light. They're not too heavy. They won't add too much weight to the drone. These are these bumper guards here. They're 3D printed, so they're not heavy either. These right here, they're like sort of cushioning. They're also 3D printed. These black pieces here, bumpers. That way it can absorb a lot of the shock. So I'll get started with the motors here. First, you got to remove these screws, the original screws. So then you put the first one on. You got R2 right here, and this is the one that goes on this one here. And then these motor covers come with different types of screws. Well, they're not different, but they're like a little longer than the original screws that were holding the motor. See the difference? This is the one that comes with the motor covers, and these are the original screws there. You want to make sure they're not too over tightened, but just enough. You don't want to strip the screw, because then sometimes you'll strip the Allen wrench, and then you'll have a hard time removing the screws later on. Alright. Now we do the L2, which goes on the rear. I think it's easier if you put the screws in first on the covers, and then you set it on top carefully, and then you try to line them up, and then screw down slowly. Actually, you got to hold the motors up a little bit, and then screw down carefully as you line it up. And then once you get them all the screws all the way down, you can apply force and use the shorter side. You got to hold it in tight and then turn slowly. That way you won't strip this Allen wrench. Just like so. Oh shit, I'm getting a cramp on my left hand. Okay. Alright, so I think we're just about getting these tight enough. Remember, you want to make sure they're tight enough, because once they start getting loose, there's a chance that these motors will be like, you know, sort of crooked, and then the blades will hit the edge inside, so the surface inside. So you gotta make sure they're tight. But sometimes these Allen wrenches, like after using them for a while, they strip. So you gotta make sure you have good Allen wrenches. Okay, I think these are tight enough. So I'll just start with the other one. Remember, there's only a certain way these things can go, because see how they're shaped. Oh shoot. This is L1, this is R1. They're shaped a little bit different. So there's only a certain way that they can go on there. I'm just checking the rest, making sure the wrists are tightened enough. Man, I really got to get new Allen wrenches. Alright, and that's it. That's the motor covers. Alright, now that we have the motor covers on there, we're gonna put on the bumper guards next. And these bumper guards, I got these from Etsy. That's spelled E-T-S-Y. I'll also leave a link on. These are easy to install. You just want to insert this part right here through the grooves here. Just line it up, and then you just push. Make sure you push equally like that, so it just snaps on. And the same company that sent me these right here, that I ordered these from, sent me this battery clip for free. The way the battery clip works is you have the battery in there. The only problem with this battery clip though is that these motor covers here are kind of in the way, so you would have to shave this part right here just a little bit here on the sides in order for it to fit, or you could just not have the motor covers. So what I did was, I'll give you an example. This is a different brand of battery clip that I have here, and I did that to this one here because this is my old one. See how it's shaved right there on this side as well, and then you'll be able to make it fit just like so. So there you go, there's the battery clip. This piece here, this is the jet fighter mount kit. Basically this is it, this is the whole kit. What this is right here, more for like looks, but it also protects the battery here. So it's also made out of it's 3D printed. So basically it's just added protection. That's all that is, and it makes it look cool too. So if it ever falls like that, it's protected. If it falls like this, that's what the bumper guards are for. And these right here, the motor covers, that's for that's to keep like you know, like metal and stuff from going in there, and the windings inside the motors. And the battery retaining clip, that's so that the battery doesn't slip out, because these Avatas, what happens is the clip that comes with the battery, it's supposed to clip on there, it's not that great. And that's one thing about these the Avatas, is that when you hit something hard enough, the battery will come flying out, and then you lose your drone that way. Just put that back on there. That's it.
Precious and fragile things need special handling.